Khatam flowers constitute the essential elements in the intricate art of Khatamkari. Each flower is meticulously crafted from numerous tiny triangular pieces, illustrating the remarkable complexity and skill inherent in this traditional craft. In recent years, the production processes for Khatamkari materials have undergone significant transformation. With the integration of machinery, artisans can now create finely crafted brass and bone components, thus enhancing overall efficiency while preserving the artisanal quality that defines this art form. The meticulous assembly of Khatam flowers demands precise cutting and preparation, ensuring that each component interlocks seamlessly within the broader design. This attention to detail is essential for achieving the visual allure that characterizes Khatam artistry. Employing a variety of techniques, Khatam artists skillfully combine small wooden pieces to form larger, intricate patterns. This creative process is vital for generating exquisite decorative artworks that reflect their profound artistry. Sirsum, a traditional adhesive derived from animal bones and intestines, plays a pivotal role in the Khatamkari process. Sourced uniquely from Yazd, Iran, this substance is indispensable for securely adhering the individual pieces together. Once the pieces are assembled and sirsum is applied, the artwork is subjected to intense heat and pressure, a critical phase that ensures durability. This conclusive step substantially enhances both the quality and longevity of the completed Khatam piece. The initial phase of this process involves heating the clamp to eliminate any gaps between the wooden pieces. This ensures a robust bond as they rest together, a crucial step towards achieving a unified and cohesive plate. Following the application of pressure, the plates are subsequently transported to another workshop, where they are meticulously cut into thin slices. This preparation is essential for facilitating further artistic endeavors and creations. In the concluding stage, artists expertly adhere these thin slices onto various surfaces, showcasing the versatility and aesthetic charm of the crafted wood pieces across multiple applications. Khatamkari entails the assembly of multiple thin layers of wood to create stunning, seamless designs that significantly enhance the aesthetic value of diverse wooden items. This thorough and precise process serves as a testament to the rich tradition of craftsmanship. The video also highlights a workshop dedicated to larger Khatam projects, such as conference tables, exemplifying the adaptability and versatility of this art form across various surfaces. Finally, visitors to Iran are encouraged to explore traditional bazaars, where they can find Khatam artworks available for purchase. These pieces provide a unique souvenir, encapsulating the rich cultural heritage of the region.